Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by confirming safety and length. First, plug in the lights briefly to test bulbs. This prevents climbing down later. Once confirmed, position a stable ladder and put on gloves, grip and protect the trunk. Begin at the base, secure the plug end low with a zip tie, leaving slack for replacement. Then, wrap upward in 4-6-inch spacing, rotating the string to maintain even tension. Make sure to keep bulbs facing outward. This improves visibility and reduces wind stress on connections. Once you reach the canopy, change technique to protect fragile fronds. You'll loop the main strand around the skirt, then add short jumper strands to individual fronds for a balanced look. Secure jumpers at the frond base with a gentle zip tie. Do not cinch fully. Leave about 1/8 inch for growth and movement. Make sure wiring runs avoid rubbing edges and use soft clips if available. This preserves the palm and prevents chafing. Meanwhile, step back frequently to check symmetry and light density. You're finishing by anchoring all loose ends and protecting the electrical points. Route excess cord down the trunk and coil it neatly at the base. Box the plug with a waterproof cover or self-fusing tape. Once done, test the full display at night and note any dark sections. If lights fail, check the GFCI and reset it. Inspect sockets and replace failed bulbs or segments. If a section is intermittent, tighten connections and avoid overloading the circuit. This prevents trips and keeps the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.